What's up, Brickdo here, and today's video I'm going to be going through all the sets that are coming out in 2021. So, these are on Brickset. Let's go through them. So, the first one is a Yoda's Galaxy Atlas, and it comes with the Yoda figure, and it's like a book. Next one is a police set, comes with a helicopter and a boat. It's a kind of small boat, but it's a junior set. The next one is a police prisoner transport, and it has a little jail cell in the back with a bike. Next one is called fire hazard truck, and it comes with a firefighter and a couple of fires. Next one's a junior's fire truck, and then a fire helicopter. It's a pretty big helicopter, and it also comes with a motorcycle. Then there's a fire command unit, and that one's a huge fire truck. Next is a camper, and this one comes with the baby and the two parents, and it's like a motorhome. Then there's the roadwork truck. That one might be good for my city because it's just like construction and stuff. A sports car. I think that one looks really cool. I like the coloring. Then there's the beach rescue ATV. It comes with a shark and a jet ski. Then there's a tractor, and this one comes with a pumpkin and a carrot and apple and a nice hay bale. And then it comes with two minifigs. The next one is the race buggy transporter. It comes with like a little car, might be a go-kart. And it comes with the driver, and then another minifig. The airshow jet transporter. So this is like a jet with the huge truck to put it on. Then there's the skate park. I might get this one. I just like how there's like skateboarders, people on bicycles and stuff, and they're all doing a whole bunch of tricks and stuff. And then there's the Modern Family home. This one's pretty tall. It comes with hockey, some people playing hockey, and someone's washing their dog there, and a car. Then there's the town center. Comes with a, it looks like a pizza place or something, somewhere you could get pizza, and then it looks like a car wash, an Octane car wash, and it comes with the new road plates. Then those are the new road plates, and they come with like speed bumps, and it glows in the dark. Then on to Creator 3-in-1, there's the Cyber Drone, the Wild Lion. I might get this one for my like zoo maybe. It's a little big. And then there's no tail for this one, but it's got some cars or like race cars with the semi, and it can also be a boat, and it looks like maybe like a electrical something. Next one is a bicycle, like a motorcycle. Then there's a beach house. It looks like it can also be like a lighthouse maybe. And the next one is from Frozen 2. It's like buildable character from Frozen 2. Then some dots. And then onto the second page. Bing. And then there's the monster bracelet, the secret holder, secret boxes, creative party, starlight bracelet, and then that's Duplo, happy childhood moments, And then there's the cat grooming car. Olivia's electric car, so it looks like there's a windmill, and then it powers her car. The Heart Lake City Organic Cafe. The Heart Lake City Movie Theater. It's like a nice movie theater, I might get that. Andrea's Family Home. Flamingo Cube. Emma's Dalmatian Cube. Mia's Pug Cube. It's like a whole bunch of cubes. A diary, notebook, some pens, pencil, notebook, and then the classrooms in the book. So that's the Transfiguration class. And this one's $30. This one is the Potions class. That one's $30. The Herbology class, that's $30. And the Charms class is $30. Then there's the Harry Potter art, which is the Hogwarts crest, and you have to buy them separately, and then you get 4 of them. You'll buy 4 of them, and then they'll get all of the houses. And this one is Mickey. Also comes with Minnie, right there. And then a Thor mech armor. Iron Man versus Thanos. Miles Morales mech armor. Spider-Man and Sandman. Spider-Man and Ghost Rider. That's a really cool car. Spider-Man's monster truck. A lot of spider sets. Attack on the Spider Lair. Then Minions in Gru's Lab. That one's really cool. It comes with some nice Minions figures. And roller coaster track. And a slide. Minion Pilot in Training. That one's right there. Comes with the Minion driver, the pilot, and another Minion person. Then there's the Minions Kung Fu Battle. A Monkey Kid set. Ninjago Epic Battle. Another Epic Battle. And then there's the Cole versus Ghost Warrior, the Ninja Charger, that's a cool car. And then some Chinese New Year's, Story of Neon, the Spring Lantern Festival, that one looks pretty cool. And then Luke Skywalker with blue milk, it's a poly bag. Then this one, which I'm going to get, is Trouble on Tatooine. It's really cool. It's $30 and it's a nice way to get the child minifigure. It's 10 cents per piece, or 10.9 cents per piece. Then the Master Your Own Adventure Mario set. This one comes with a whole bunch of stuff so you can make your own course. $60. This one's $20, and it comes with the Chain Chomp and one of those guys that like walks around and moves and stuff, and then you jump on its head and it gives you coins. And then here there's the Piranha Plant Puzzling Challenge. And that one, like, you jump on it and then the guys move and stuff. The Wiggler Poison Swamp. This one comes with a 16 by 8 tile, so that one's really cool. And the Wiggler, like the nose on that and all of that. The Penguin Mario Power Up Pack. The Penguin and then Tanuki Mario. A blind bag. And then here they are. So the Hugget Crab, the Spiny Cheep Cheep, the Ninja, the Foo, Parachute Goomba, the Parabeetle, Poison Mushroom, the Thwimp, Fly Guy, Bone Goomba, and then that's the whole series. And then the Skid Steer Loader, Race Plane, McLaren Senna. That one's really cool Technic set. and then the off-road buggy, and those are all the Technic. So these are all the sets coming out in 2021 on Brickset. So sorry about all the ads. Brickset likes to do a lot of ads on their website, but this is all the official releases of the sets coming in 2021. I'll probably make another video once the Star Wars ones come out. And yeah, thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.